My people. Yes. My people. Yes. The foundation of the United States rests on the sweat of my people.
Welcome to the Reed Report with your host, Arnold Reed from Arnold Reed and Associates at 32255 Northwestern Highway, Suite 251, Farmington Hills. Or call 248-855-6330. That's 248-855-6330. The Reed Report with your host, Arnold Reed.
Live on air with Gary Brown, former Deputy Police Chief, who oversaw the Department of City of Detroit's Police Department Internal Affairs. What was it that gave you the impetus or caused you in the very beginning to think about filing a lawsuit against the mayor?
There were really two reasons, Arnold, that I filed the lawsuit. The first reason was because I needed to get a full pension. But even above that was the fact that I needed to clear my name.
The Reed Report.
I give to you, Drum Majors for Justice, without further ado, State Representative Chanel Action Jackson.
Thank you so much for saying that. I just have to, first of all, give God the glory for an opportunity to be with you today, but what an introduction.
The Reed Report.
President of Detroit City Council, Kenneth Cockrell. Mr. President, you have been accused of wanting to steal the mayor's seat. I see that look. What's your response?
Yes, I'm considering it, and I'm not going to change my answer just because of what the mayor's going through currently. And I think often when people make that argument, what they're really trying to do is diminish and marginalize the questions and the arguments that I'm making. The reality is we're in a situation right now which should be a concern to every single Detroiter. The reality is we know that there was a secret agreement that was kept from City Council regarding that whistleblower settlement. It was kept from us. It was kept from the public. Why?
The Reed Report.
Reverend Manning, my Drum Majors, has this to say about African Americans, and hear this well. Reverend Manning.
70% of black men tend to not marry the woman that they impregnate or fail to give adequate child support to their children. 70% of them.
As you as a reverend, what are you doing to make change of those statistics? I didn't hear him say anything.
I'll tell you what he's doing, Sharice, and thank you for your call. He's a pimp and he's a purveyor. He's a prostitution of the truth. That's what he's doing, and he's going to burn in hell, the fire, and the brimstone.
The Reed Report.
And now the radical right media pundits are vilifying Senator Barack Obama for calling a Channel 7 news reporter sweetie, the S word. The reporter's angry because she did not get her question answered, a question she has self-proclaimed to be very important to the auto workers of Michigan. Let's revisit the scenario. Senator Obama is touring an auto plant with plant officials. What Peggy Agar did was akin to flashing a camera during Tiger Woods' backswing.
The Reed Report.
But one thing I do know for sure, Drum Majors for Justice, that is if we fail to question, fail to exercise independent thought, and think for ourselves, we might as well agree as a people, as a nation, to simply acquiesce.
The Reed Report.
God bless you and God bless America.
Senator Clinton, as she spoke to her enthusiastic crowd on Tuesday, but as we all know, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, the present is a gift.